sure my awards were all correct in the record, making sure we had to do a full-length photo. I don't know if you guys had to do that. I didn't have that, so I did all that stuff, corrected everything.
Get your arm out, though.
Pull
your arm out.
When I went on deployment, even since I found out that there was an
Oh, she's gonna roll back the other way.
real old trip rep, but there was a trip rep in there that was
Jenna!
record actually indicated
Hey, big girl!
What are
you doing?
Hi.
Oh.
And then I've gotten selected, did some other things just on the professional side.
What are you doing, silly goose?
For program management, level 3, like acquisition qualifications, and then becoming part of
You come get Pooh Bear?
so all
Come
these
get
little
Pooh Bear.
things, everything should line up. So if
Come
I don't
get Pooh Bear.
selected, then, there's
Come get him.
my record that I'm just completely ignorant about.
Yeah, because that was the same thing with me, because I looked at my records and I had evaluations that were missing in there, and then what else? I think my medals was another thing, and one of my NECs was not in there.
Oh.
Yeah, that was missing.
Yeah.
So I got all that corrected, and so I went up for chief. First time I went up, I